I scared my child to teach her a lesson about harassing animals I couldn't get through to my 8-year-old daughter about scaring animals. No matter how many times we told her to stop, she kept jumping out at birds, stray cats, dogs, even butterflies, stomping her feet and yelling "way" to scare them away. She'd just brush us off whenever we scolded her. In her mind, it was perfectly fine because she wasn't physically touching them, but watching these poor creatures get terrorized was really starting to bother me. Today, I saw her completely absorbed in her Nintendo Switch game on the couch. Something clicked in my head, and I thought, maybe she needs to experience it herself to understand. I crept up silently behind the sofa. When I was in position, I reached down from above, grabbed her controller, making sure I had a grip on it so it wouldn't drop, stomped my foot hard and shouted, "Wah!" as loud as I could. The look on her face, first, just complete shock. She froze for a second, totally dazed. Then her face crumpled and she burst into tears. My wife is furious with me. She called me a childish